A fantastic review left by Phil James for ADI leak detection. Frank and Scott were great. They turned up on time on New Year's Eve, set to work straight away, and quickly found the source of the leak, which was in a fairly inaccessible place under the screeded floor beneath the wall separating the hall from the lounge. Since there are built-in cupboards on both sides of that wall, the repair involved dismantling a unit on one side and working inside an understairs cupboard on the other. All of it was carried out very efficiently, with pressure testing of the whole system to make sure there were no other leaks, enabling us to have a nice warm house for New Year after having shivered over Christmas. I would recommend them. It seemed like a lot of money when we first had the quote, but with hindsight it was worth every penny to get it fixed so efficiently. For leak detection in Horncastle, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.